Basically, the whole car's been refreshed front to back. I've come to the realization that it needs a new look. Now, I really like how it looks. Damien honestly did like an awesome job 4 years ago. Well, it was 4 years this year, but it needs to look fresh. So Sequoia Media have jumped on board to do a full new livery and decal. So we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna rip the old wrap off. I've got new D-Max D1 GP style, like 40mm front guards. I'm reusing my old over fenders. There's nothing wrong with them. New front bar, rear bar, bonnet, side skirts. The bonnet, I want the screamers to be perfectly in it. I'm also gonna be doing Perspex rear windows with a NACA duct. They're the ducts that create no extra wind resistance, although it's a drift car, it doesn't matter. Just a bit of it looks cool. And then Perspex front windows with sliders, which I'm gonna make. It's kind of sad. I'm gonna be pulling off the old Ridley's Automotive logo. It's gonna get a new one, but I really do like this era of the car. I liked every version of this car so far. So I went street car, then it was with Keep It Red for a while, Ride with the Pro and Friday Night Drifts and Battle Royale. Now with this design, did more competition and lots of events. Now the next stage, which is Billet and high RPM and bigger events. So we're going for more sort of like World Time Attack Pro demo type stuff. And yeah, just showing everyone what the car's all about. So let's make it look like that, and you will find out what that looks like in this video. And I will not be posting how it looks until this video is up, so.
So that was a fucking lie.
Honestly, I'm kind of sad to do this, as much as it's going to be cool. It still looks so good. The only way out is through, and I've known that my whole life. So let's just take the wrap off, because then we get a new one. So let's do it. Come to a conclusion. It's not happening. I'm going to buy new over fenders. I'm not doing this. My fingers hurt. I'm like an hour and a bit in, and I've only got that much off, which is not even half that panel. That's also fiberglass. Front door's gonna be no dramas. The roof's no dramas. So, nah. New over fenders, and it means I get to keep those two, which can also go up with the other stuff, and you know, I get to keep a bit of the old car. So for me, I get a bit of memorabilia. done. Some mistakes have been made. When I was towing it to the dyno tune, the tyre rack pole fell down and like smashed that quarter. And everything it does is literally to a T. What the fuck was that? So I'm gonna body fill that. When me and Scotty cutting the bonnet, he left, we were finishing up the aero catches and I cut through the bonnet. So I've got to fix that. And I'm gonna finish mounting the bumper, wet rub the whole car, and this is going to Sequoia. The next time you see it, it's gonna look amazing. So I'm pretty excited. Then we're ready for the track and I get to drive it. I'm so excited. So let's finish the bodywork. Bar is mounted, bolted in the side, trim the fronts down where the headlights were so it actually goes under, and I've since cut the front because you have to on this car every time you fit a body kit, it doesn't turn. The wheels sit too wide, the arc of the wheels is just way too much, so you always trim the fronts, the backs are okay on this one. About to pull off the bar, finish cutting it, I'll wet rub it. So, just loaded the car up, Lurch has picked it up, it's 7:05 on a lovely Monday morning. It's about an hour and 17 to where we're going. We're in the Patrol, which I don't know if many people know about this car. Fun thing about my Patrol, like all good things, is it's got an RB28 turbo in it, high mount with an external gate, so it does this. Anyway, that was below the speed limit. So the tow car is cool. Let's run away to Sequoia Media. Let's drop the 32 off, and the next time we see it, it's gonna look pretty fancy. This is gonna be a long, nice drive. I need a coffee, so we'll deal with that, and then we'll deal with going to Sunbury, which where I live out in the near the Yarra Valley. It's like 147 million nautical miles, or even air miles. It's the same distance. Nautical miles is sea miles. It doesn't matter. It's a long way. Good thing GQ Patrol's bloody seamless drive. We'll hit her with one more. So we're pulling up. It's been an hour and a half, maybe hour 40. I've been watching a little bit of Street Alpha podcast. Andrew Hawkins on there too, because he's a big RB guy like me. I just listened to him talking about RBs and things and GDR Festival and all that fun stuff, which actually begs the question. I want my car at GDR Festival, but I don't even know if that's possible.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
We are 1 minute from Sequoia, so let's find out how far behind me the drift car is. Hopefully it's arrived in one piece. If it's sitting in the middle of the freeway, I'm not going to be that happy.
One week later.
All right, we're on the way to Sequoia. We've got Kwana driving because he's back from work for the week, and we've done nothing but just actually chill out. So we've been riding bikes, we've been fishing. We didn't catch hardly anything, but that's pretty standard for fishing. The car's done. I've only seen a black and white photo of it, put on the screen now. I don't know what any of the logos look like. I don't know what the chrome looks like. I got the new wheels in the back, so we're gonna put them on, and we'll see how it looks. Apparently it's sick though. Mark's pretty G'd up. I'm pretty excited. We are in, where are we? Sunbury? I think we're in Sunbury. I don't even know where it is. It's past Calder Park, which for me, too far from home. Kwana's going to quickly, with Mark from Sequoia, slap the wheels on, slap a cover on it, then I get to see it. Which is cool, because I thought seeing progress photos is cool, but also I kind of just want to see it in person. All right, so the update is this. doesn't even feel like my car, but we're about to get it out in the sun and see how it looks because there's lots of chrome.